Imagine a world where technology not only enhances our daily lives, but becomes an integral part of our very being. How would the blending of digital and biological systems reshape our identity and existence? Enter the realm of 3D printing, a technological marvel that has revolutionized more than just manufacturing. It has transformed the medical field. Initially, 3D printing seemed destined for the hands of high-end designers, with machines costing as much as a luxury car. However, as the barriers to access have crumbled over the past 5 years, this technology has morphed into a tool as common in DIY projects as it is in professional design studios. Output. The true magic of 3D printing unfolds in its ability to create bespoke medical solutions. Consider the process of bioengineering cartilage. Bioactive glass used in these procedures is designed to be porous, encouraging bone cells to inhabit and regenerate bone tissue. This method, which mimics natural bone growth, is now pivotal in reconstructing bones for the skull and face, though it's not yet applicable for weight-bearing bones. The technology extends to the creation of intricate body parts, such as windpipes. By first taking a CAT scan to produce a 3D image of a patient's windpipe, specialists can then use a 3D printer to create a perfect replica from a scaffold material tailored to support the patient's own stem cells. This personalized approach is not just a future possibility, it's happening now, and it doesn't stop there. The potential to print jawbones and, more ambitiously, complex organs like livers, kidneys, and even hearts is on the horizon. These organs require not only the creation of internal structures, but also the integration of a blood supply and connections to major arteries, presenting a formidable challenge that many in the field are eager to tackle. In summary, 3D printing in the medical field is not just about creating parts. It's about redefining possibilities. From offering customized medical implants to potentially printing functional human organs, this technology holds the promise of drastically altering how healthcare is delivered and experienced. It beckons a future where our physical selves can be as easily updated as our digital avatars, blurring the lines between biological and digital and reshaping our very identity. As technology continues to evolve, so too does our potential to redefine the fabric of life itself. The fusion of digital precision and biological complexity through 3D printing is not just enhancing our capabilities, it's transforming what it means to be human.